topic for Excel is this one, solver method. So solver method, it is already here in the data tab, as I have added it already, that's why it is showing. But if it is not here, it is not present, so you have to add it. Go to file, click on options, then click on add-ins. Then from here you will click solver add-in and click on go. Okay, from here you will select this solver add-in option, tick this one and click on OK. Okay, so when you will add this solver method, so in the data tab you will get this one, solver. Okay, and if it is not present, you have to add it. Now how the solver method works, so like this one, gift voucher is there 2000. Now I went to a shopping mall. I have to purchase jeans, shirt, t-shirt and shoe, and all the items suppose are one, means jeans I will take one, then shirt one, and cost are this one. So how we will calculate the total? Total will be item into cost. So what we will write, equal to, then item means B2, so B2 into C2. So these two will be multiplied. Okay, so press enter. So this is the total. Find out the total in such a way by using the formula. Don't write the total directly. That is, I know the item is 1, cost is 850, means it will come 850. So I will write it directly. Don't do like that. Okay. So apply the formula here. If you don't apply the formula, then solver will not work. Okay. Now we will calculate the sum of all these values. The sum of the total of all these values. That is, here we will write equal to, then sum, in the bracket we will select this cell range. Okay, this we want to add all the items cost total. Okay, so here what it is coming, it is coming out to be 820. Now my gift voucher is 2000. So in order to avail this gift voucher 2000, I have to make purchase of 2000, but here it is coming to be 1820. So what can I do, which item I will purchase and which item not? So this will be a tedious task if we do manually. So the solver method helps us to do it easily. So this is my target cell. This cell I want to make change, means this cell I want to make it 2000. So just click on that cell, go to data tab and in the click on the solver option. Then this solver dialog box will come. This set cell objective, it is already selected, this one. Now you will select value of, what will be my value? This cell I want to change to 2000. So I will give 2000. By changing which cell? You see, cost you cannot make change because it is already there by default, means it is given by the this mall. Mall has already set this cost. You cannot make this change. You can make change only in the item. That is how many item you can purchase, so that the total comes out to be 2000. So here by changing cell you select this item. So here it will come. Okay, now some constraints we will add here in the solver, because it may so happen that solver can solve this by making some unnecessary changes here that we want to avoid. So we will add some constraint. So click on add. So here cell reference we will select. First constraint will be, all these item values should be integer. Okay, it may so happen that it can come in the floating point, so item cannot be floating point, so that's why here we will select integer, then add it. This is the first constraint that we have added. Second constraint is, all these item should be greater than equal to 0, or else what solver can do, it can take negative values for the item. So item cannot be negative, so that's why we have added this constraint. So add it. Now another thing, you see this t-shirt cost is 2000. So solver can do one thing, it can solve like this. T-shirt value can come, means t-shirt item, one person can purchase 10 t-shirt, and then the cost total will come up to be 2000. So this is not allowed. Suppose a person is not allowed to take 10 number of things for one item. Suppose t-shirt 10 he cannot take, less than or equal to 9 he can take, means less than 10 he have to take every item. 10 items he cannot take. Okay, so for that what we will do, another condition we will make, select this cell range, then here you select less than equal to, then we will give here 9. That is, the items should be 9 or less than 9. 10 items cannot be together taken. Okay, so add this constraint. Now what is the last constraint which is left? This cell address, cell reference should be equal to what? The gift voucher. Okay, so this means our total cell reference should be equal to the gift voucher. Then click on add, then cancel. Okay, so when you will cancel, then your solved parameter with the constraints will come. Then you will just click on the solve. Okay, so when you click on solve, this solver result one dialog box will come. Just click on OK. So here you can see that the solver has solved our problem. So jeans you have to purchase one, shirt, no shirt you can purchase, t-shirt you can purchase one, and shoe you can purchase two, so that the total comes up to be 2000, which is matching with the gift voucher. Now you can avail your gift voucher and then you can make the purchase. So this is the use of the solver method. Okay, I am telling you again and again that when you are using the total for calculation of the total and all this thing, always use the formula, or else the solver will not work. If you write directly, then solver will not work. This thing you remember. Okay.